Let me show you how to restore WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you're missing all of these messages and you want to get them back, I'll show you how to restore it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's say you're missing all of these messages and you want to get them back by doing a restore. The first thing we're going to do is check your settings to make sure they're backed up. So from here, we're going to tap on settings at the bottom right. And then from here, you can tap on chats. Now you'll be able to see chat backup here. This is really important to make sure that everything is backed up. You can only restore those chats if they've been backed up to your iCloud. This is the first place to check, and you can see last backup was yesterday at 1:01 p.m. But I also need to check my iCloud. So let's head into the settings, tap on your name at the top, and then iCloud. Now from here, you'll be able to see everything that's saved to your iCloud within that save to iCloud. We need to go in here and make sure that WhatsApp is toggled on. So scroll down to the bottom and there we go, WhatsApp is on. Now I can restore to that backup just by pressing and holding on the WhatsApp app and hitting remove and delete and then delete. So I fully deleted it, but now I need to reinstall it and restore it from that iCloud backup. To do that, I'll walk you through these steps. We're going to open up the App Store here. Let's say it's not already up. Let's just type in WhatsApp. And then on here, we're just going to hit download to install it. After it's downloaded, I'll show you what it looks like and how to get all of those messages back. So wait for it to fully install onto your iPhone. And then after you've done that, you can open it up. Now let's hit agree and continue and allow. Now, depending on your phone, it might recognize your old phone number if it doesn't just manually enter it back in, but mine recognizes it, so I can just hit continue and then next. Now, here is the key part. It will say retrieving credentials and restore from iCloud, and it says waiting for iCloud. It's basically checking to see if you have a backup, and this one is yesterday at 1:01 p.m., the latest backup. So I can restore those messages, including all of the media, the photos, the videos, etc. So just hit the restore button here, and it will bring all of those back. After it's done going through the process of downloading all of those, keep in mind, this might take a while if you have tons of messages and tons of photos and videos. I don't have a huge amount, so just 216. I can hit next and done and continue, and then share all the contacts, and I'll show you that this worked at the very end. Let's just go to chats here and you'll be able to see all of those messages are back and restored. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions.